SSN Lookup Service, navigating legal and privacy concerns. Today, we'll explore how to use SSN Lookup services responsibly and legally. An SSN Lookup service provides access to information based on social security numbers. This raises important legal and privacy issues. It's essential for users to understand why accessing SSN-related information without proper authorization carries serious legal consequences. Even legal usage of SSN data can make consumers uneasy. They often question the necessity and security of providing their SSN details. SSNs serve as unique identifiers for U.S. residents. They are crucial for employers and certain professionals who need to verify identities or locate individuals. For instance, businesses use SSN lookup services to validate employee information for payroll or to conduct background checks for new hires. SSN lookup tools often offer validation services, confirming the legitimacy of an SSN without revealing personal details like names or addresses. Another function is the SSN and name match, which helps businesses confirm the accuracy of the SSN provided by individuals. The reverse SSN lookup service goes further, retrieving a person's name, address, and possible phone numbers from their SSN. However, accessing personal information through SSN lookup can infringe on privacy rights and expose individuals to risks like identity theft. Ethically, it's crucial to respect privacy, avoid harm, and maintain transparency in how SSN data is handled. Legally, there are stringent rules about how personal data, including SSNs, should be managed. Non-compliance can lead to severe penalties. For example, the Fair Credit Reporting Act governs how consumers' credit information potentially obtained via SSN lookups must be handled. SSN lookup services without proper oversight could also inadvertently support fraudulent activities or even pose national security risks. Regulations like the FCRA, GDPR, and others provide a framework for responsibly handling SSN data, emphasizing transparency and security. To manage SSN lookup services without legal or privacy issues, it's crucial to stay informed about applicable regulations and adopt comprehensive data protection practices. Practically, this means setting up robust protocols for data handling, ensuring all access to SSN information is authorized, and educating stakeholders on privacy and legal standards. Implement strong security measures like encryption, conduct regular risk assessments, and ensure any third-party services comply with legal standards. In conclusion, while SSN lookup services are valuable tools for identity verification and data management, they must be used with caution. Ensuring compliance with legal standards and respecting privacy rights are paramount to avoid legal repercussions and maintain trust. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you. Like, share and subscribe for more.